Monadeepa Banerjee, let me come across to you very quickly and let me register my strong and complete protest at that absolutely delicious food that seems to be behind you, which you're refusing to share with any of us in the studio. This is called cruelty.
But I'll show it to you. I'll show it to you, Vikram. Wonderful stuff this. This is called Dahi Fuchka. And I was taking a break from covering the campaigns when suddenly you said, let's do West Bengal polls. So here I am with a whole bunch of friends waiting to have their fuchkas. Let me start with Shikha Mukherjee straight away. Or actually my first comment, and that is till about mid-March, it felt like it was a complete walkover for the Trinamool this time. But then suddenly the sting happened and Sharda got revived and sadly the flyover fell. And suddenly the Congress and the left got together and there seems to be a fight that's happening in Bengal. So let me go and ask my friends here, do they agree? So you think it was a walkover turned into a fight?
Absolutely, because the Congress CPM would have been reduced to a kind of history if this alliance hadn't worked out. And the fact is that the alliance hasn't happened as a kind of something imposed from the top. It's coming out from below the ground, so to say.
Okay, I know that you also are sympathetic to this whole alliance thing.
Of course, because see, at one point of time, the left had its bad share of times where in performance there was a slag, which again have brought them united with a new geared up team, less of grey hair, more of the young lads joining the hands of Congress.
Okay. I know that you have a picture with some top BJP leaders on your phone. What do you think? Do you think 17%, 2014, will they retain that share?
See, I can speak as a businessman here. Last time I voted for Parivartan, for change, for this lady, Mamata Banerjee, who liberated us from the 34-year rule of the left. What am I voting for this time? There is absolutely no talk of how she's going to develop the state, how she's going to get industry, how she's going to get employment. I mean, she's just, all her time is consumed and gone into defending her from all the scams, Narda, Sarda. So I think we need someone who can actually work.
And you believe the BJP could deliver?
Absolutely.
Would you agree? I know that you are very fond of Didi.
Well, as far as the last two comments went off, the alliance of CPM and Congress was always there, and hence CPM was in power for last 34 years. So, at this point of time, I remember when people used to shout that Congress is the B team of CPM. Congress was part of this government for initial
Exactly,
2 years.
yeah. Trinamool was in alliance with the Congress.
And they were part of this government. We still remember Manoj Bhuiya running with his dhoti up during a regime of the CPM. And now they are hand in hands. It's a peculiar situation. It's something like...
But are they posing a challenge to Didi?
I don't think so. They will be able to pose a challenge to Didi at all, because people are not limited to West Bengal. We are seeing what is happening in Kerala. They are fighting against each other, and it's not true that Didi has not done anything for Bengal in the last 5 years.
Okay.
And there's enough data to be given that she has tried and done little bit whatever possible for Bengal.
Ranajit, Congress face, young Congress face. What do you say? I mean, are you a watermelon? Green outside, red inside.
You see, firstly, one has to understand that 5 years of misgovernance, corruption, and frankly, a breakdown of civil society has brought the birds home to roost for the Trinamool. Today, what you see as an alliance in the Congress and the CPM is not a top-down alliance. It's not dictated from the ICC or the Central Committee. In fact, it's a very much a bottom-up alliance. It's an alliance necessitated by the fact that in the run-up to the elections, both parties, when they went out to the booth committees, when they went out to the district committees, the one answer both parties got is that we have one objective, to defeat this government.
Do you think it'll work? The left and the Congress defeat the Trinamool?
I think it
Yes
will
or no?
work, yes, a bit.
A bit? What about you? You are an academic person. You are watching the situation.
Well, I don't think at this point of time the alliance will really see the end of Trinamool.
Okay. So, alliance may not see the end of Trinamool yet, but you agree that we will have a fight. Can we have a loud yes on that? That we have a fight and 19th of May will be exciting as far as results are concerned?
New government.
Okay, so 19th of May is going to be exciting, so it'll be a fight to watch out for, Vikram.